I'm your host Purva Kakre. Welcome to my show, My Perfect Chance interview series. A chance to be recognized, adored by the viewers, a right show to be at, to become a star. Welcome to my show. Please join us welcoming Sulochana to our show. She is a renowned professor and SS Academy owner and founder. She is motivating and talented professor driven to inspire students to pursue academic and professional excellence. She created challenges and engaging learning environment in which students become lifelong scholars and learners. She possesses qualities like communication, understanding, and empathy towards her students and parents. She has a team of educators in her academy who are able to work in a constantly evolving environment and adjusting their teaching methods. So now we have done a short introduction of her work. Let's hear Sulochana.
Okay, thank you, Purva. I am Sulochana Bonulu, founder and owner of SSS Academy. So we are at present we are operating in two branches at Powai and Marul. We are into academics. We cater to the academic needs of your kids from grade 7th to 12th, dealing in all subjects, all boards. We have an excellent team of faculty who take care of your children's academic needs throughout.
So good teachers are adaptable, a quality a lot of parents searching for.
A wonderful question you have asked. I would really love to answer that question. See, change is the need. To bring the change, as we say, variety is the spice of life. And teachers need to have that change. They need to have that adaptable quality. Everyone has, but teachers have an extra 1% of it where they are very much adaptable to it. And as teachers, when we are adaptable, we can reach out through the generations, through the students who doesn't belong to a generation. They belong to a totally new generation where you are connecting link between the generation and yourself, and you really get a lot to learn. And this adaptability is the best quality a teacher can have, which helps them to reach to their children.
Correct, Sulochana. You are absolutely correct. So, 7 things you don't know about Sulochana. Let's run with a quick info round. What excites you about your career?
The most exciting thing about my career is being surrounded by kids 24/7. It really gives me a pleasure that being into a profession where I am into a total different world, which is the world which I've never lived. The life or the world which I lived earlier and the world which I'm living, like I'm living in two worlds at a time. So this is the most exciting moment I have in my life.
Wow, that's true. How would you describe yourself in 3 words?
Okay, like to describe myself in 3 words would be like a determined person, using best of my skills to reach them, very focused, analytical, and I have a systematic organization to manage the things thoroughly.
Very true. These are super qualities a teacher should possess.
Thank you, Purva.
What qualities of their professors do students appreciate the most?
This is really a very tricky question because children, there are n number of qualities like that. But according to me, I would feel that the best qualities the students like about the teachers is their apt knowledge about the subject and how they are communicating to the students. The bonding between a teacher and a student, that has to be built on trust. And once a trust bonding is built between both of them, that is the best quality where the child opens up and learns at its best. And that is only possible after this trust bond. So that is the quality that the children, first they need to trust their teacher, automatically then the subject is learnt very easily.
Absolutely, 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 absolutely. So, how would you ensure an active participation from your students in your class?
Yeah, this is indeed a difficult task we can say, but teachers, as you were asked me earlier, that adaptation, yes, teachers are adapted to this quality. Always when the class, we do not make our classes monotonous where we are just lecturing, the students are just sitting and listening. But we make sure that our students are constantly interacting with us, whether it be any subject. The more we discuss, the more we elaborate, the more we ask them, the better they learn. So this way, our questioning or our discussion gauge it's from the easy to the difficult level that each and every person, each and every child of mine who's in my class gets that confidence that he would be able to answer the question. And this is how we make our class more interactive. And one more thing is that we are 24/7 available with our kids. Whatever time, it's some children are really shy, but we make sure even they open up. So this is, I feel that this is interaction which we have with our kids, so that they are feel to express themselves. Sometimes not in class, but personally, but they do speak to us.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So how would you ensure an active participation from your students in your class?
Yeah, this is indeed a difficult task, we can say, but teachers, as you were asked me earlier, that adaptation, yes, teachers are adapted to this quality. Always when the class, we do not make our classes monotonous where we are just lecturing, the students are just sitting and listening. But we make sure that our students are constantly interacting with us, whether it be any subject. The more we discuss, the more we elaborate, the more we ask them, the better they learn. So this way, our questioning or our discussion gauge it's from the easy to the difficult level that each and every person, each and every child of mine who's in my class gets that confidence that he would be able to answer the question. And this is how we make our class more interactive. And one more thing is that we are 24/7 available with our kids. Whatever time, it's some children are really shy, but we make sure even they open up. So this is, I feel that this is interaction which we have with our kids, so that they are feel to express themselves. Sometimes not in class, but personally, but they do speak to us.
So you make every child answer in your class.
Yes. Ha, so, yeah, so as I said, the motto at SS Academy is that you send your child as a bud and we bloom them into a flower who is able to apply his knowledge in the practical world in the best possible way. So we look into overall development of your child.
So which award would you apply for, Sulochana?
I would definitely like to apply for Mumbai Achievers Award in the category of teachers.
Amazing, amazing. Sulochana, what is your best childhood memory?
The best childhood memory of me is like how your life changes within a short instant. Like for example, when I was a kid, till grade 7th, till grade 8th, I was really scared of maths. Like maths would be like a nightmare to me. I was not able to do it properly. I used to not get those concepts. But in our school, we had a new teacher who came up. And that year the sir has arrived in our school, he changed my prospect towards maths. And today, maths has become my best subject. Now, if at night 12 also, if any of my kid calls up, ma'am, I'm not able to do this sum, I am happily ready to explain the sum to them. I'm so much passionate about maths now. So this is the change, my childhood memory, which has really changed. Otherwise, I was thinking always that I would never be good in maths. But today it is my best subject.
Amazing. Wonderful. So you are a proper maths.
Yes.
Lovely, Sulochana. Hearing your speech reminds me my professors. So quick round
Thank you,
of more
Purva.
important questions. So what makes you smile?
A smile is the most contagious thing on the earth. And the things that make me smile is to be surrounded with my kids. Like when I'm with my kids and when I'm into some problem, it really makes me smile. Yes, I have a solution for you.
Fabulous. So if you were a superhero, what would your powers be?
Purva, first of all, I would thank you for asking me such a wonderful question, which I would have never got a chance to answer, which would have always been in my thoughts. I do think about this. So if I would have been a superhero, the things I would be changing is, see, to change the world, you need to change the generation. And to change the generation, we need to make changes in the kids, the upcoming generation. So I would make sure that these kids who are having a lot of problems, like who are into a lot of complexes, the things which they don't understand, that all the concepts would be thorough with them. Plus, I would like to inculcate moral values in them. So that would keep them grounded with the values and the culture of the country which we belong to. So which is, I feel, some or the other way is getting neglected. So I would try to do that.
So actually you are making them more aware of the moral values, and you are
Yes.
preparing them to be a good citizen of India, right?
Yes, only that they are the ones who are going to prosper our country.
Exactly.
So the change has to be brought in our kids.
So
And this would be like, it would be an opportunity.
generation is in the hands of our teachers, right?
Yeah, in the hands of a teacher, in the hands of everyone, not only a teacher, any person in their life can make this change.
Because the kids are more connected to teachers, the
Yes.
teacher's work is just like to improvise them in every field,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Sulochana, such a delight to have you on my show. Great information you shared with
Pur-
us.
Purva, just give me a minute. I want to say something to you. Purva, you are an amazing person. It's really excellent to come up with such an idea where we, at the comfort of our house, get the feeling of being a star. I would really like to thank your media team who are really doing an excellent job. I've been constantly watching all your videos, all your interviews. They are par excellence. Keep up your good work. Thank you, Purva, once again.
Now that we have come to end of the interview, I would like to give my extend warm thanks to Sulochana for being a part of my show. We immensely enjoyed this session and took forward to give you more contacts through this platform.
Thank you, Purva, for inviting me on such a wonderful show. It's really, you are getting a feeling, where you are free to express all your thoughts. So I would like to tell the audience that we at SS Academy have come up with the online classes where we are teaching all the subjects for all the boards. So we have started a YouTube channel by the name Sulochana Bololu. You can follow us on our FB page SSS Academy, on our Insta page SSS Academy. So here you can get, and please feel free. We have got a lot of courses. It's not necessary that you need to enroll for all the subjects or something. You can even enroll your child for the specific topics which your child finds difficult, where he might be not able to understand the concepts. So let me give a try. So you can almost look forward for an opportunity where you can come up with, like, we have test series, plus we have doubt clearing sessions, certain topics which are difficult to understand. So you can opt for all those. We provide with all those things. So please feel free to connect me on 829 1322682.
Thank you, Sulochana, for such a kind words. I'm delighted. Thank you. Thank you. Special thanks to Lara and her media team for designing the show. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, My Perfect Chance Interview Series by Purva K, and get to view more interviews and guest speakers. It has been my pleasure to meet you all today. Signing off, Purva Kakade. Thank you, Sulochana.